Hi there. In this video I'm going to show how to split a component. I've seen a lot of people having issues. It's very simple. So I've basically got my jobs set up large so I can show it clearly. I'm not the best. My channel is very new. I'm using Aspire, VECTRIC ASPIRE 11.504. If you use Aspire, you can do this. Basic setup, 15 by 15. Everything's the same. I'm not really worried about all of these job setups right now because I'm just going to show an example. So 15 by 15 to make the area large. Click OK on that. That sets up your work area. So if you want to go to the clip art, click in that tab right there. That's clip art. Let's just take for reference, let's go into decorative right there. Let's look for a piece of, if you want to make your own little things, they provide you, I found that they provide you with a lot of stuff, but with Aspire you can make your own. So if you choose like this flourish, let's say, we'll select it right here, drag it over into your work area, and there you go. Now we can scroll it up with the handlebars, hit shift. Any one of these handlebars, if you hold shift while you select it, it'll scale the whole thing up at once. So I'm going to make it large so you can see. So now we have the clip art selected. You can look at it in 3D view up here. There it is. Go back to the 2D view over here. Now you're gonna, to split this, if you wanted to say you don't want this, you want to add something else of your own. You know, this is just what they give you. Someone made this and then saved it, and then, you know, it's just a piece of clip art. It's a 3D file. So basically, you're gonna come over to here. You're in the 2D drawing area. Let's go back to drawing over here. You can either use the polyline draw and snap the lines, or you can use anything that you want. You can use freehand drawing. We'll just choose the freehand drawing right now, right there. Come over here, and let's say we don't want this part. We want to add something else up here. So what I can do is I can left mouse click and hold that down and start drawing my line. Let's cut this part out. Come around. Connect the view there. We will close out of the drawing. You're gonna remember to hit close. Now what we've created is a vector line right there. These lines are just vectors that you create. Now you can select this. Of course, it's still all visible without the line on the 3D view. So what you want to do now is you want to come over to your modeling tab right here, up in the corner of the modeling tab. You want to come back over to your vector line, select it, hold shift and select the component, which is the flourish. Now if you come over here while you're on the modeling tab, it says split the selected component using a vector. You've got your vector, you've got the component. Click the icon which has the scissors up here. It will render a little bit to split those components. At this point on the 2D, you won't see anything except the area that now has made a new component. You have your first component, which was 1, but now it's separated. So you have your first component, and you have your second component now. You've made 2 components out of this 1. So you can click over on the 3D view, or you can tile your views and get both. I don't like to do that, but you can. It'll show both views, but I'll just click over here, and you can see that now, if you select under the component tree right here, 2 different components now. So you can select that one. If you don't want, well, let's select the one that we created. At this point I can select it and I can move it. I have just now split that component. I can delete it. I can go and pick another piece of a different flourish, and I can do the same thing with that, and then I can add it to this component. Or I can put it back, go into the modeling tab and kind of smooth that out a little bit, but boom. Typically right there, that's how you split any component. It's that simple. Sorry for the bad quality video. It's a brand new channel. I've not done this before, so I mean, if this was helpful, I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna break things down simple, not too long. I mean, we don't got a lot. We're trying to all learn this program, and this program is, I'm gonna say, it is worth the money. It's expensive. It's about $2,000 through it's VECTRIC ASPIRE. You can upgrade if you have the lower models. You know, those are handy. But I mean, if you can find a way, Aspire is worth the money. Please give me a like. Please give me a share. We're going to be back to do more videos, and I'm going to break things down and make things as easy as possible. Took me a long time to learn all this stuff on my own. So thanks again, and have a great day. We'll be back follow me for the next video, and remember to like and share. Thank you.